Want to create a freelance portfolio that looks professional but without buying a domain or learning how to code? Let me show you how to create a free and beautiful website using just Canva. When I was starting out, I didn't have a portfolio. I wasn't ready to invest in a website. TikTok was my portfolio. It's because I was creating personal finance content for my insurance job. So that's where I got started. And TikTok was already enough for me to enter freelancing and offer video content marketing. So if you are a beginner freelancer or you want to start freelancing, you have to learn how to use Canva. You can offer a lot of freelance services with just knowing how to use Canva. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a freelance portfolio website using Canva. Most people don't realize that Canva lets you create and publish a live one-page website for free. No hosting, no domain, no stress. It's perfect for freelancers who want to showcase their work and look legit without spending a dime. Okay, so here's what you need to do. What you need is a free Canva account and a few pieces of content. So create the Canva account for free at canva.com. And once you've created, this is your dashboard. So here you will be asked, what will you design today? Is it a YouTube thumbnail? So when you know how to create a YouTube thumbnail, you can be a YouTube thumbnail designer. You can be an Instagram social media manager. You can create a sheet, a document, a whiteboard, a presentation. You can do admin things like this. You can become a social media manager, a photo editor, a video editor. You can actually do all of this with Canva. In today's video, we will be creating a portfolio website. So just click website, create new. Okay, so here you will be, so Canva will show you a blank screen. And you can also add sections. So these sections will help you organize your content on each web page. Next, you can also add pages across multiple web pages. Got it. So we will just focus on creating a one-page portfolio website. So you can start from scratch or you can look for templates. So you don't have to think about the design that you want to create. Okay, so when you click templates, Canva will show you a lot of beautiful templates you can choose from to create your portfolio website. So for example, you're a social media manager and you like to create a beautiful website so you can showcase it to your clients. Okay, so let's choose a portfolio website. So like that, let's see this. Okay, as an artist, so we can also search social media manager. All right, so you can choose from here. For example, for a social manager. So just click apply all 6 sections. So for example, we have chosen this one. Looking for a social media wizard, Jasmine Pedraza creates marketing magic. See how your business benefits. So this is the pre-made template and you can just edit that about me. So hi there, I'm Jasmine. I have more than 15 years of experience in marketing across different social media platforms. So I help businesses build brand awareness, loyalty, and advocacy by engaging influencers and communities. Work with me. Clients, services, contact me. So what's important here is the homepage where you target the pain point of your target client, which is, are they looking for someone who will help them with social media? So you put here, looking for a social media wizard, and then you put your name here. So just edit that. For example, Novi Dizon creates marketing magic. So see how your business benefits. So you don't have to think with the copy that you're going to put into your website. So Canva already has that. But if you want to put your own personal copy, you can just put it there. And then the next page will be about you. You describe yourself. Hi there, for example, I'm Novi Dizon. So just edit the name and then the photo. Just upload the photo here. Go to uploads and just upload files. Upload your photo and then just put it there. So for example, to make it a professional photo, change it there. So forgive my photo. Okay, like that. And the next page is show them testimonials. Show them some of your clients, some of your favorite clients. So they will believe that you already have some experience, or if you don't have yet experience, maybe you can ask your friends to do something for free so you can have something to put into your website. For example, your friend, a tech founder, or a friend with a small business, a clinic, or a flower shop, you can ask her or him to do the social media posting every day, and then you can just put it there. As long as you have this, it's social proof, okay? And then the next page is services. So what services are you offering? Social media audit, planning, branding and design, content creation, community management, influencer management, crisis management and response, and analytics. So these are the most important parts of your portfolio website. And then lastly is the call to action. So if you've already put all this, all the things that they need to know about you, then you should have a call to action at the bottom. So how are they going to contact you? You can put here, get a free proposal, your number, your email, and your socials. So you can also put here your intro video if you have one. So you can add a section, an intro video, or you can just paste it here so they can see that. Okay. Once you're ready, you can just publish the website, and then this will be the URL of your website, and then hit publish. So once it's published, for example, you publish that, good design encourages a viewer to want to learn more. So that's it. You already published your website and it's now live. You can copy this link and then you can just share it to your target clients. Or you can just paste it on your link in bio on TikTok, on Instagram, on LinkedIn, wherever you want you to be seen. So you can just copy that and paste it there. So anytime you're applying for a job, they can already see your portfolio. So let's view the website. Okay, so this is how it looks like. My screen is just big. So if you are using a laptop, then it's just right. So this is how it looks like. It's a one-page live portfolio website, which is amazing, beautiful, and it tells all about you already. And you can watch the intro video that I've created. So you can just embed it here on these websites. So you will have an edge with the other applicants. 90% of freelancers don't have an intro video. So it's better if you have one and you embed it here on your website. Okay, that's it for this video. And there's a ton of pre-designed templates. You can choose one that matches your style and you can just change the colors to match your branding, add your profile photo, replace demo text with your services, add your sample work, and don't forget to include a button. Hire me, book a call, or view my work. And you can link your email, your Calendly account, or even your Instagram and LinkedIn. Or if you don't have a Calendly account, just use cal.com and I have a video with that. You can just look there. It's a free scheduling app which you can use. It's unlimited and just click share and that's it. Now you have a working professional portfolio without spending a cent. Like this video and subscribe for more freelancing tips, tools, and tutorials every week. I also have a blog on Substack and you can also check that out and subscribe for free newsletters. So you'll get updated every time I write every week, and that is straight to your inbox. All right, so watch out for our next video and I will show you how to create a portfolio using Notion. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for watching. Till the next one. Bye.